Number 1. What is the permanent inbuilt memory of computer called? A. CPU. C. RAM. C. CD-RAM. D. ROM. Right answer is option D. ROM. Number 2. All of the following are storage devices except A. Printicious. C. Hard disk drive. D. DVD drive. D. USB drive. Right answer is option A. Printers. Number 3. Physical structure of a computer is called A. Malware. B. Application. C. Hardware. D. Software. Right answer is option hardware. Number 4. When you quickly press and release the left mouse button twice, you are A. Double clicking. B. Primary clicking. D. Secondary clicking. D. Pointing. Right answer is option A. Double clicking. No. 5. Which of the following is a model document that can be used to create another document? A. Sample. C. Style. D. Model. D. Template. Right answer is option D. Template. Number 6. A. Is location or container in which files can be stored. A. Library. B. Utility. C. Folder. D. Recycle bin. Right answer is option C. Folder. Number 7. Which of the following program starts as soon as computer gets switched on? A. Windows Explorer. B. MS Office. C. Operating System. D. Text Editor. Right answer is option Operating System. Number 8. Domain name always have two or more parts separate by A. Period called dot. B. Hyphen. C. Comma. D. Semicolon. Right answer is option A. Period called dot. Number 9. ICT stand for Information and Communication Technology. B. Information Cell Technology. C. Information and Computer Technology. D. Information and Connection Technology. Right answer is option A. Information and Communication Technology. Number 10. Most available computer keyboard is in A. A, B, C, D, E, F. B. QWERTY. C. QOLTY. D. Alter. Right answer is option A. QWERTY. Number 11. Which of the following items is not present in desktop? A. Icon. B. Taskbar. C. Folder. D. Disk drive. Right answer is option taskbar. Number 12. Each computer connected to the internet must have A. A unique IP address. B. A Pentium processor. C. A modem connection. D. A web browser. Right answer is option A. A unique IP address. Number 13. RAM stand for A. Random assigned memory. B. Read-only memory. C. Random access memory. D. Read access memory. Right answer is option B. Read-only memory. Number 14. Asset of rules that governs data communication is blank. A. HTML. B. Protocol. C. Software. D. Tools. Right answer is option B. Protocol. Number 15. Google Chrome is the example of A. W. B. HTTP. C. Web browser. D. Web server. Right answer is option C. Web browser. Number 16. Which of the following is the software? A. Projector. B. Hardware. C. MS Office. D. Printer. Right answer is option C. MS Office. Number 17. A underscore blank is an organized collection of the data. A field. B. A mail. C. Database. D. Record. Right answer is option C. Database. Subscribe my channel and click bell bottom. Thank you for watching.